Hey there, welcome to Tool Zone, your go-to spot for truly satisfying craftsmanship. Today we've gathered an epic selection of clips where skilled pros execute each task with absolute mastery. Every movement is calculated, every detail flawless. Let's dive into these perfect moments together. No chainsaw, no problem. Just bring persistence, creativity, and hands that aren't afraid of real effort. Manual sawing might be old school, but it's oddly satisfying to watch. You could stare at it for hours. Stripping bark from wood with high-pressure water is incredibly effective. Don't worry, the water is collected and reused responsibly afterward. Watching two towering buildings come crashing down is a spectacle on its own, but when they collapse into each other, erupting into a massive cloud of dust, it feels truly epic, like someone hit slow motion just so we could fully take in this breathtaking dance of destruction. You never know what might be lurking inside your walls. But now you've seen the quick and safe way to deal with those surprise squatters. When ice builds up too thick, it's cut apart like a giant cake, but with heavy-duty machines instead of knives. From above, it looks like mesmerizing geometry, where every line is perfectly drawn. This fiery design process is mesmerizing. As the glowing pattern slowly takes form, you're hooked, waiting breathlessly to see the full masterpiece reveal itself. Watching a giant machine roll up turf into tidy bundles is oddly satisfying, like watching sushi being rolled by a pro chef. That moment when the steel ring glows and takes shape, mesmerizing. This is craftsmanship that demands your full attention. Despite having powerful machines at their disposal, this crew prefers traditional tools and craftsmanship. Their massive woodwork project showcases patience, precision, and master-level skill. The tree is trimmed into a rounded shape, while the shrub beneath it is shaped into a neat cylinder. In tough situations, you do whatever it takes to find a way out. Absolutely stunning, and the shape of the glass is so creatively blown that you can't help but watch in awe as the process unfolds. Every move of his hands brings a piece to life, turning simple materials into stylish design icons. It's no wonder his collection is so impressive. Who wouldn't want their space filled with handcrafted beauty like this? This painting technique is definitely original, and while the end result is stunning, it's clear that a lot of effort goes into achieving it. Beauty like this comes from real hard work. Even the pet seems to recognize the glassmaker's exceptional skill. With a wooden template, precise shapes are cut from a stylish leather sheet for detailed crafting. Now that's what flawless mortar application looks like. In just seconds, it's all clean, smooth, and precise. It's amazing how fast and skillfully it's done. Having trouble slicing sausage or meat efficiently? This cooking pro shows how it's done with ease. This rug looked like it barely survived a disaster, but now it's cleaner than ever. Is it sorcery? Nope, just top-notch skill. There's something so satisfying about watching a space completely transform before your eyes. Judging by his technique, this guy is clearly a true professional. It almost looks like he's just strolling across the wood, but once you realize the height he's working at, saw in hand, it's nothing short of breathtaking. A worker moving through plants with 2 long blades looks more like a ninja on a covert mission, but take a closer look. It's a true expert, harvesting with such sharp accuracy that even a samurai might be impressed. Here's a clever little hack. Use an ordinary bag and some paint to create elegant floral prints. It's simple, stylish, and totally worth trying. You'll be amazed by the results. Achieving a flawlessly smooth surface takes serious experience. Every inch reveals the craftsperson's precision and care, proof that mastery comes from dedication and skill. Watching metal jewelry being made feels like witnessing a bit of real-life magic, doesn't it? There's something visually stunning about every second of this video. Domino chains are already captivating, but add a spark, literally, and you've got a visually explosive spectacle that keeps your eyes glued to the screen. I'm not entirely sure what his goal is, but I can't deny, it looks captivating and impressive. Maybe that's exactly where the artistry lies. The way this expert works with the wall says it all. Years of experience, precision, and confidence. Definitely someone to learn from.